Trimble is a technology company. We focus in connecting both the physical world and the digital world throughout our many solutions and the technologies we developed.
I find Trimble an exciting place to work because it's a truly global company. So in Trimble we have offices in various continents and different countries, and you get to work with people from all sorts of backgrounds.
People are our most important thing in this company. We need to aim for retaining, developing, and also rewarding those excellent resources we have.
We are a old customer from Workday, but it was heavily used in the US. That is why when we started the payroll transformation journey, we thought, why don't we use the system Workday as it was intended to? And that's where we thought that maybe it was a good idea to add absence management, time tracking, projects, and the payroll integrations.
I think Workday has helped us in taking into account the differences mainly in the absence management, because we've been able to configure the absence plans for each country.
We are about to start our extend journey with Workday and try to streamline and simplify the payroll input process. We were looking for an EMEA partner, somebody who knew the European market, since we have such a diversity of regulations and complexities in the region. That's why we thought about Kainos.
As the account director for Trimble, Martin and myself have been working together for about 4 years, since 2022, on the payroll time and absence harmonization project.
Having interviewed Kainos, we automatically saw that there was a cultural fit that was undeniable. They understand our situation, they understand our businesses, they understand our values, so it was an easy choice for us.
We needed to really have that harmonization and globalization factor throughout the whole project to ensure that what we did was repeatable, that it was not something that would be entirely high maintenance.
It's priceless to have somebody who understands you, who is transparent to you, has the courage to actually tell you as a customer, hey, I don't think this is the path we should go to, and propose you a better path. I think that kind of trust make this product work at the end.